you're looking for a functional compact SUV with both reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Renegade Limited in granite crystal metallic. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, bright exhaust tip, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 30,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5869.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.